Welcome to this tutorial on managing certificates in the JDK Keystore for SailPoint IdentityIQ on a Linux server. First, let's check all existing certificates in the JDK Cacerts Keystore. Use the following Keytool command to list all certificates and save the output to a file. Next, to import a new certificate into the JDK Keystore, use the Keytool importcert command with the appropriate alias and certificate file. If you need to delete an existing certificate, use the Keytool delete command with the certificate alias. Finally, always restart the Tomcat server after adding or deleting certificates to ensure the changes take effect.